The next question is, do you believe corporations should be more heavily regulated, even if it means higher compliance costs? The question of regulating corporations is a tricky one. For the past umpteen dozen years, our nation has continued to overregulate corporations to the point where they can't even function in their own country. Corporations that make profits overseas are taxed 35% on those profits when they bring that money back into this country. So we're essentially telling companies to not do business in this country and to keep your profits overseas, which is ridiculous. I would say lowering the amount of regulations on corporations at that level is smart. Encouraging investment and incentivizing investment is the key. If we were to give these corporations free rein to become monopolies, however, that can be a huge strain on our economy. When corporations use their power to control both distribution and production, this could ultimately disable our economy, especially the free market economy that we have grown to love in America. But right now, overregulation is killing the free market. So I urge very strong anti-monopoly laws, but very few regulations on small business and small corporations.